Welcome to the EduTouch EG Series interactive panel. The EduTouch interactive solution is a complete solution specifically designed for schools and kindergartens, comprising the EduTouch interactive panel, an extensive curriculum support software suite, technical support and training. This EduTouch solution creates an interactive and collaborative learning environment within the classroom and gives teachers the ability to use superior technology effectively to create life-changing learning experiences. The EduTouch panels are available in a variety of sizes to fit any classroom and are installed in around 15% of schools throughout Australia and are a preferred product on the Education Queensland government contract. An integrated Android operating system with touch control, a 4K ultra-high definition display, an anti-glare and anti-friction screen, toughened MOHS Level 7 glass, 20-point touch, dual-band Wi-Fi with Bluetooth, a web browser, a 7-year on-site warranty, something IG3 Education is able to offer based on the reliability of the EduTouch product, which has a failure rate of less than 0.02% over a period of 7 years and is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux. Software solutions and apps can be accessed on the Android operating system, the internal PC if purchased separately, and on a personal external device such as a desktop or a laptop. Up to 3 external devices can be connected with touch control using HDMI and USB cables. Older devices can be connected using VGA cables. The home screen can be customized by adding additional apps for easy access. The multi-window mode displays more than one app at the same time. VitelloShare supports schools by creating a more collaborative learning environment in their classrooms. Wireless screen mirroring and touch control for Windows and Mac laptops and computers, and wireless display for iPads, tablets and mobile phones is available, allowing up to 9 devices to be mirrored at the same time. Inbuilt interactive applications are available, such as annotation tools, a countdown timer, a stopwatch, a spotlight, and a drawing palette. The EduTouch interactive panel gives you the ability to work interactively with PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files directly on the panel without an attached computer. Every EduTouch panel includes an interactive whiteboard, which engages students by making learning more interesting, fun, and participative. Documents and images may be imported, background colours and templates changed, and in addition, personalised backgrounds uploaded. The dual pen capability enables 2 students to work on the whiteboard at exactly the same time. Every EduTouch panel is bundled with an extensive software package, which includes Snowflake, a fun educational suite of interactive, multi-touch, multi-user applications designed to help kids learn while they play. Snowflake allows you to divide your touchscreen into independent, personalised zones, allowing multiple applications to be running at the same time. Snowflake also means teachers spend less time preparing and more time working with students. Snowflake incorporates thousands of fun, interactive activities, allowing simultaneous personalised instruction, thus making the curriculum relevant to students' lives. Note 3 is an additional interactive whiteboard program which is packed with features. Apart from the writing feature, written text can be converted and displayed in a choice of fonts. Additionally, each panel comes with a 1-year classroom licence to one of the following supplemental online curriculum resources on the My IG3 Education portal. For more information on the EduTouch interactive panels, visit the website www.ig3education.com.au, email info@ig3education.com.au, or call on 1800 334 633.